Hi. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding and managing users for the client portal. Navigate to System Settings by clicking the Settings icon in the top right corner of the navigation menu. Then scroll to the Client Portal section and select Manage Clients to add and manage client portal users. To add a new client, click on Add Client at the top of the page. Then fill out the mandatory fields, including first name, last name, username, and email. Also specify the access type. Client, requesters who can raise requests to the legal team. Collaborator, users who collaborate on contracts through the portal. For clients, you can define the type of requests they can make by choosing core or contra access. Additionally, you can provide optional details like related company, job title, address, manager, etc. Once users are added, they will receive an email invitation to join the client portal. The email contains a link to set up their password. Admins can resend the email to users who haven't activated their accounts yet. From this page, you can view the list of clients along with their details. Active clients are indicated with a green dot. Click the dot to activate or deactivate users. Use the action menu next to each client name for additional options such as activating, deactivating, or banning users. The client portal URL at the top of the page directs users to the portal login page. Copy this link to share via email or embed it on your company's website. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.